Welcome. My name is Mr. Stubbs, and I'll be your teacher for Research 1 and Research 2. What I'm going to do now is, if you're watching this, you have already clicked into my welcome folder, kind of go over some things that will be helpful for you in navigating through this class and helping you navigate through Schoology. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. And in the welcome folder, you see a plethora of things. It'll be my message. It'll be how to communicate with me. If you need to communicate with me about a subject area or some work that you're doing in class that you're not sure about, that's how you'll do that. That I have my phone number, my email address, and my office hours. Then you have class expectations. It'll just kind of tell you about the class and how we grade and different things like that, and attendance, because the classes that I have are all hybrid. So that means you'll be coming to my class Monday and Tuesday, and you'll be working from home Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or you'll be working from home Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and coming to my class Thursday, Friday. All right. Also, there is the grading scale, um, the school calendar, the bell schedule, different stuff like that. And also we have some how-to tutorials. What those are you can click on those and it'll show you how to get on a class when you get into your credit recovery class, or how to look up stuff. If you need stuff translated, it's a lot of things in that folder that will help you. All right. And then last but not least, we have the e-learning handbook. It's in Spanish and in English, so please take a look at that. Each week what we'll have is you'll have a folder, and it'll kind of look like this. So to say credit recovery week 1, and in that folder it'll have your assignment for the week. You'll get a small little pep talk from me. Then you'll have this week at a glance what you should be doing this week, and then you'll have a checklist and what the assignments are. Okay, so also in the folder will be some resources. So if you need to get some help, those are a couple of things that you can click on, and those can help you. But what I want to make sure that you understand, that if you need help with a particular subject or a class, call me or email me, text me. That's the best way to contact me, and that'll be faster for me to get back with you. Okay. I don't know. It's going to be different this year, with this pandemic, COVID. When you come to school, you're going to have a mask on, and you'll wear it as long as you're on campus. Okay, what I would do is I'll bring some bottled water, because all the water fountains have been covered up because of COVID. So if you're going to get thirsty during the day, I'll bring some bottled water. In my class, since everything is on the computer, what we'll do is when you come in, I have some hand sanitizer, some wipes. You're going to wipe down your area, because unless it's first period, if you come in there, somebody has already been on the computer. So they're going to wipe it down also, but I need you to wipe it down, because I wouldn't trust somebody to wipe down something for me. I want to do it myself. And that's what we're going to do. All right. So if you have any questions or anything, you'll get FaceTime with me, because everybody's hybrid. So you'll see me either Monday, Tuesday, or you'll see me Thursday, Friday. What I would do is when you're in class, try to get all your questions answered, so that there won't be any gaps, or, you thinking that it's this way and it's supposed to be this way. So if you have questions during the week, like I said, text me, call the office phone, call my cell phone, and let's make sure that everybody understands what needs to be done to be successful in this class. All right. So basically, that is it for me. And I'll see you in school. Take care.